Hello and welcome, my friends. I'm Ayub and welcome back to your channel Al-Atheer. Imagine with me for a moment a mass that exceeds our sun's mass by more than 6 billion times, compressed into a very small point. Its gravitational force is so intense that it swallows everything around it. Even light itself cannot escape from it. Do you know what this is? These are black holes, the cosmic monsters that have puzzled scientists for more than a century, and in 2019, we witnessed the impossible. We saw the first real image of a black hole. But let's start from the beginning. What exactly is a black hole? A black hole is simply a region in space with such enormous gravitational force that nothing can escape from it, not even light itself. And that's why they're black, because they don't reflect any light or emit any visible radiation. But how do these cosmic monsters form? When a giant star dies, dozens of times larger than our sun, it collapses on itself in a thunderous explosion called a supernova. If the star is large enough, gravity triumphs over all other forces, compressing all that enormous mass into a very small point called a singularity. Now, let's go back in time to 1915, when Albert Einstein presented his genius theory of general relativity. At that time, no one knew about the existence of black holes, but Einstein's equations predicted them amazingly. And in 2024, something remarkable happened. Scientists proved another Einstein prediction about the existence of plunging regions on the edge of black holes. Imagine, a man who predicted with pure mathematics the existence of something we couldn't see until more than 100 years later. But what's even more exciting is that a recent study suggests that black holes may have contributed to accelerating the birth of new stars during the first 50 million years of the universe's age. Meaning, they're not just destructive monsters, but maybe life creators too. Now we reach the most exciting part. How did scientists manage to photograph something black that emits no light? On April 10, 2019, the first real image of the supermassive black hole at the heart of galaxy Messier 87, located 55 million light-years away, appeared. The image showed a dark circle amidst a blazing halo, exactly as Einstein's equations predicted. But how did they do it? They used something called the Event Horizon Telescope, which isn't one telescope, but a network of radio telescopes around the entire world. Imagine, a telescope the size of planet Earth. These telescopes didn't photograph the black hole directly, but photographed its shadow, the dark region it creates when it blocks light coming from behind it. The image showed a bright ring formed when light bends in the intense gravity around a black hole with a mass 6.5 billion times greater than the Sun. But the story didn't end there. In recent years, amazing discoveries have occurred. The European Space Telescope Gaia detected a black hole with a record mass exceeding the Sun's mass by 33 times in an unprecedented discovery in our galaxy. They named it Gaia BH3, and it's only 2,000 light-years away from Earth. And here's the bigger surprise. Astronomers discovered hundreds of hidden black holes using infrared rays, and the results indicate that the percentage of hidden black holes is high. Holes could be 35% or even higher. Imagine with me. All this time, we've been living in a universe full of hidden black holes. Like living in a jungle full of tigers, but we couldn't see them before. But what's even more exciting is that Chinese researchers concluded that it's theoretically possible to use black holes' gravitational force as nuclear reactors from which electricity can be extracted. Meaning these monsters could become energy sources for the future. Now let's take an imaginary journey. What if you fell into a black hole? First, let's talk about the event horizon. This is the point of no return. It's like an imaginary line surrounding the black hole, and once you cross it, you can never escape, even if you travel at the speed of light. But before reaching the event horizon, you'll face something scientists call the spaghettification effect. And this isn't a funny name, it's a terrifying reality. Imagine your feet are closer to the black hole than your head. Gravity will pull your feet with much greater force than your head, causing you to stretch and extend like spaghetti. That's why it's called the spaghettification effect. And here's the strangest part. Due to relativity effects, time will slow down for you. From your perspective, you'll feel like everything is normal, but anyone watching you from far away will see you moving very slowly and gradually fading away. But black holes aren't just scary regions in space. They play an important role in shaping the entire universe. Every large galaxy, including our Milky Way, contains a supermassive black hole at its center. These supermassive black holes control star formation and galaxy evolution over billions of years. And here's an amazing fact. The black hole at the center of our galaxy is called Sagittarius A star, and its mass equals 4 million suns. But don't worry, we're completely safe at 26,000 light-years away from it. In 2022, scientists managed to capture an image of the black hole at the heart of our galaxy, confirming that everything we learned about black holes is correct. But here comes the big question. Are black holes eternal? The answer is surprising. No. According to Stephen Hawking, black holes evaporate very slowly through what's called Hawking radiation. But this process takes longer than the current age of... Now we reach the most exciting part. Can black holes be used for time travel? Theoretically, the answer is yes. As we saw in movies like Interstellar, the strong gravity of black holes affects time in amazing ways. If you're very close to a black hole, 1 hour for you might equal years on Earth. But there's a problem. To benefit from this effect and return to Earth, you need to escape the black hole's gravity, and this requires enormous energy and technology we don't currently possess. But scientists are studying other exciting possibilities, using primordial black holes as energy sources for interplanetary travel. Imagine a spacecraft that derives its energy from a small black hole, and there are theories about wormholes, passages through space-time that might connect distant regions of the universe. But this is still in the realm of theories, so far. Now, what awaits us in the future? Scientists are working on developing more powerful telescopes to study black holes in greater detail. Soon, we might be able to watch a moving video of a black hole devouring matter around it. With rapid advances in space technology, we might send space probes to study nearby black holes up close. Imagine the amazing data and images we might get. Our understanding of black holes might also lead us to revolutionary discoveries in physics. Perhaps we'll finally understand the nature of dark matter and dark energy, or even discover new dimensions of the universe. And we might witness breakthroughs in energy technology. Imagine power plants operating on black hole power. This might seem like science fiction now, but so did flying and the internet a century ago. And so, my friends, we reach the end of our amazing journey through the world of black holes. From Einstein's genius predictions more than 100 years ago to the first real image we captured in 2019, to the amazing discoveries in 2024 and 2025. Black holes continue to amaze us and challenge our understanding of the universe. These cosmic monsters aren't just destroyers. They are galaxy sculptors, keepers of universe secrets, and perhaps energy sources for future civilizations. And most importantly, every new discovery reminds us that our universe is more exciting and mysterious than we imagine. So what do you think? Do you believe we'll one day be able to use black hole energy? Share your opinions in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Al-Atheer channel and activate notifications so you don't miss any new scientific journey. And if you like the video, leave a like and share it with your science-loving friends. This was Ayub with you. See you in a new scientific journey.